Have you ever aspired to launch your own online affiliate marketing business? Picture this: being your own boss, running a business that operates 24/7, reaching customers across the globe, and all from the comfort of your own home. Imagine the thrill of seeing your profits grow, unbounded by traditional business hours or geographical limitations. Online business ownership, particularly in affiliate marketing, is a dream many of us share. It offers the flexibility to work when and where you want, the potential for substantial profits, and the freedom to choose who you work with. It's about being in control of your financial future and living the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. It's about breaking free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and embracing a new way of working that puts you in the driver's seat. But where does one start, and how do you ensure success in such a competitive market? That's where our unique affiliate stacking ecosystem method comes into play. This method is a game changer, designed to simplify the process of starting your very own online affiliate marketing business. It's not just about getting started, but setting yourself up for massive scaling. How does it work? Well, imagine having a done-for-you product and funnel to start promoting right off the bat. That's the foundation of our method. Now let's talk about results. Our students have seen fantastic success. They've launched their businesses in under 90 minutes, chosen from a variety of 10 done-for-you offers to promote, and have begun earning a 50% commission on each sale. They've connected with like-minded experts and formed lucrative partnerships, and they've found a community of people who have already achieved what they're aiming for: total freedom. With our method, the path to success becomes clearer and achievable. By joining our program, you gain more than just knowledge. You gain an instant business. Imagine having a ready-to-promote product, a tailored funnel, and a 50% commission on every sale. You're not alone in this journey. We have a community of experts and students ready to share their knowledge and form lucrative partnerships. Plus, we offer weekly live coaching calls, providing you with the latest strategies and techniques. All these are designed to kickstart and scale your online affiliate marketing business. So, are you ready to take the leap and start your journey towards total freedom? Starting your online affiliate marketing business doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the affiliate stacking ecosystem method, you're equipped with a done-for-you product and funnel, access to a supportive community, and live coaching calls. The program is designed for fast startup and massive scaling, providing you with the potential to achieve total freedom. By promoting our premium offer, you could earn a 50% commission on each sale. Click the below link to enroll today, and let's make your dream of owning an online business a reality.